In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to convert Minecraft PlayStation 3 worlds to PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, there was a period of time where you were officially able to transfer a PlayStation 3 world into a PlayStation 4. However, they have removed that feature. So now, to do this, you will need to use a PC. You will need a USB stick. Usually the size doesn't matter as long as it is formatted. First, we're going to gather the world from the PlayStation 3 version of Minecraft. So inside of the USB stick, create a folder titled PS3, and then inside of this folder, create another folder titled Saved Data. Make sure that you do this exactly like this. So the folder structure should be USB, PS3, and then save data. With this done, plug the USB stick onto your PlayStation 3, and from the home screen, go to Saved Data Utility. Now, find the specific Minecraft world that you would like to convert. Once you find it, choose that world and select the option to copy it. On the destination options, you will be able to select the USB drive that you connected. Once the PlayStation 3 world has been loaded into the USB stick, you can browse through all of the files, but now we are going to use the most important tool, MCC Tool Chest. This is going to help us convert the PlayStation 3 world to Bedrock, and then from Bedrock into PlayStation 4. There is another tool called the Universal Minecraft Converter, however, that is paid, so I'm not going to recommend that for this video, but you can use that one instead if you are willing to pay however much it costs. Now, if you look for MCC Tool Chest, you can download it for free here. So install this, and then inside of MCC Tool Chest, go into Tools, Options, and then make sure that you choose the appropriate world type, PS3 as the default console type. With PS3 chosen, you will now be able to load the game data. So from the menu at the top, choose the file, choose the option to open a file here, and when you open the game data file inside of PS3 save data and the Minecraft folder, including your world, you will be able to load the world into MCC Tool Chest. Now go to Tools, Convert, and then to PC, so essentially from PS3 to PC. Don't worry, we're going to do one more additional step to convert it to PlayStation 4. Now you will be able to load it into your .minecraft file. With it loaded into your .minecraft folder inside of all of your saves, now we can go over to this website, ge2b.app, aka Java Edition to Bedrock Edition, and then we choose the option here, Java to Bedrock. With this done, we can now load the world into Bedrock Edition and create a realm. Now, if you sign into this realm on the PlayStation 4 version of Minecraft, you will be able to access your PlayStation 3 world. I hope I was able to help you on how to convert Minecraft PS3 worlds to PS4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.